Town, Kingsman, North Bloomfield, West Farming. Warren County, Mercer, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe
I'm in the basement for refreshing.
producing a tornado was located near New Wilmington, or 9 miles east of Hermitage, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Grove City around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mercer and Jackson Center.